So this egg white wrinkle peel is pretty easy to make. You just need 1 egg white, a half a cup of de-seeded cucumber pulp, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. The egg whites naturally smooth the wrinkles, and the cucumbers moisturize the skin. A little bit of lemon juice is your acid.
You can also add citrus juice or berry extracts to your peel, which would provide a natural antioxidant boost. A key ingredient in homemade peels is glycolic acid. It can be found in cane sugar, sour cream, yogurt, vinegar, blackberries, apples, lemons, limes, grapefruits. So it's really easy to incorporate it in any of your do-it-yourself masks. Peels exfoliate dead skin cells, so the top dermal layers peel off. You can also use them to clean your pores and moisturize your skin.
This is a AHA pill for dry skin, and we're gonna put in 1/4 a cup of white cane sugar and 1/4 a cup of Greek yogurt. Mix everything until you have a nice runny consistency. And before I put on this peel, I'm actually going to wash my face off. I was wearing makeup earlier. Sorry about that. You guys want to make sure that your face is clean when you guys are putting on these masks. Homemade glycolic peel is great for dry skin because not only is it getting exfoliation from the sugar and the lactic acids in the yogurt, it's also providing hydration.
Another at-home DIY chemical peel that we found consists of apple cider vinegar and applesauce. In order to make this peel, you take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of applesauce, and you mix it together. Apple cider vinegar is a natural way to diminish acne scarring and helps regenerate the top layer of your skin. Apples carry vitamin C, which helps with redness, hyperpigmentation, and scarring. You want to focus the mask mainly on the parts of your face that have acne scarring, blemishes, discoloration, etc. After leaving the peel on for about 10 minutes, you want to wash it off and reapply it at least 2 to 3 times a week to notice any results.
I would recommend to use these masks with others since it can be pretty messy and there is a lot of excess product, so others can use it. After all 3 of us did our DIY mask, we can all agree that they can be used as an at-home affordable peel. We hope you guys enjoy our video and hope you guys try out these at-home peels as well.